Good morning. So it's been a week now since we started living in this new house that we are in. And I have already shown you an empty house tour. I've shown you a couple of vids of me cleaning parts of the house. And right now I decided to make a speed clean. It's Saturday today and my husband, all of the people here are out. So I decided to clean the house because I know that this weekend the house will be all mess again. So as you know, I don't clean the house when my husband is around. So I'm going to grab this opportunity to clean. Probably I'll just clean the living room, our bedroom, and I've already cleaned the bathroom yesterday. So I'm not going to clean that area. Probably I'll just wipe the bathroom because I've sprayed an antibacterial spray on the sink of the bath. So probably I'll do that. But mostly my focus in this video is the living room and the bedroom, and probably I'll do some dishes in the kitchen, but there are no dirty dishes in the sink because every night my husband and our housemate actually cleans the dishes. So it's a great help for me for the next day because when I wake up the next day, there are no dirty dishes anymore. So that's good. So join me today. You can already see our dining area. That's our dining area. So let's clean. Of course, I need to show you first how messy the house is. By the way, this was supposed to be a speed cleaning video, but halfway through my cleaning, my husband had to pick me up because of an emergency. When we got back to the house, I continued vacuuming the kitchen floor and cleaning the rest of the bedroom. Anyway, I hope you still like this video. You can also see here that we still have a lot of boxes which I have to unpack, and this is one of my goals for today. Also, I already sprayed a bathroom cleaning solution in our sink, and this is where I'm first going to clean. So I'm going to use this disposable cleaning cloth to wipe out the solution in our sink. I don't really like using reusable cloths in wiping our bathroom.
I like to drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to.
Then I'm heading over to our living area. I'm going to vacuum the couch first. One thing that I love about this vacuum cleaner is, aside from it's very cheap, I can easily switch out the nozzles.
Just want somebody, I just want somebody to talk to, I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody, I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to, talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on
We're using my old desk as a TV stand temporarily because we still have to yet to pick up our new TV stand. Currently, we got rid of this desk already and we already have our new TV stand. I can't wait to show it to you on my next video, guys.
Somebody to talk to talk. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. Yeah, I just want somebody. Somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool.
Now I'm sorting out all of the things that we have in these boxes. Mostly what we have here are plastic bags and some of all the stuff that we have left. I've been putting up this task for a week now and I've decided that today's the day for me to finally face this task. One thing that I pride myself in doing is to fold plastic bags. I learned this when I was in college during my grandmother's funeral. We have a lot of plastic bags for the foods that we have brought for the mourners back then, and one of her old friends approached me and my brother and taught us how to properly fold plastic bags in order to save space. And then after that, I kind of always remembered it. We still don't have dining chairs, so we're currently using plastic chairs. And you know what? I think we're starting to not mind about it. I don't know if we're still going to buy dining chairs for that matter. Probably when we transfer to a bigger house, we'll get new ones already. I don't know.
Bay for the night. You could be, Bay for the night. Bay for the night. You could be, Bay for the night.
Now, let's head over to the kitchen. This is probably the second messiest part of the house next to the bathroom. It always gets messy because, we cook and eat every day. So, I really want to always keep this clean since we prepare our foods in here.
Be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine. We pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. Oh, baby, girl, the way you move it got me so turned on. Please don't go away. These models and these bottles got me drunk. Girl, I like the way that you rock, the way that you dance, the way that you drop. Wanna get you out of this club and into the car and back to my spot. I'ma get you home, we can sip on ice. I can roll this weed, I'ma treat you right. Baby, we could go all night, doing all the things that you like. I'ma kiss your neck, I'ma pull your hair. Well, you could be, Bay for the night. Bay for the night. You could be, Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, I pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. You could be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, we pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. Oh, baby, girl, the way you move it got me so turned on. Please don't go away. These models and these bottles got me drunk.
As usual, I'm going to keep all the dried dishes first in the cabinets before washing the dishes. And sometimes they are all not dried completely. That's why I use napkin to wipe them dry.
My own lane and I keep on running. Me and Vicky Sticks and these Playboy bunnies. Ha. Playboy bunnies. Yeah. Playboy bunnies. Ha.
I love cleaning the sink. It gives me the assurance that my kitchen is completely clean. I don't like leaving the sink dirty. How often do you clean your sink?
For the night. You could be, you could be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, I pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Back to break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. You could be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, we pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane.
The last area that I'm going to clean, of course, is our bedroom. It becomes a real mess in here, especially when we wake up.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool. And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste.
These are all newly washed clothes which are already dried. I'm not going to fold them tonight since I'm already exhausted.
Somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to talk. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. Yeah, I just want somebody.
Vacuuming the floor is really satisfying. Thank you guys for watching and cleaning with me. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel if you like to see more videos from me. I love you guys and see you in the next one.
I